Hello, welcome to week 10 of our educational psychology class. I hope that you are getting settled in to online classes and being at home. And I hope that you have decided to stay current with the class and keep up with everything that we've been working on. I know it's going to take some adjustments, but we have had a lot of things available online. So I hope that you will most of all just make the time to continue reading and staying current with classes. So we will have some face-to-face meetings. This Thursday at 9:30 will be our first face-to-face meeting. And to let you know, I have posted an updated course schedule in our class. So I encourage you to go to this Read Me First tab. And then down here to the course assignment schedule online, which is the most current, up-to-date schedule now that we're going to be meeting just online and virtually the rest of the semester. So I just did it for last week through the end of the semester. So be sure to print that off. It does note in here face-to-face times that we're meeting again, not every week, but just on some Thursdays to highlight things. So when we meet, we'll just be meeting for probably 20 or 30 minutes, often taking quizzes. So it's important to be present for that. And then I'll highlight things that you need to focus on to prepare for exams and assignments. So last week you completed the suicide prevention training. If you haven't yet gotten your certificate uploaded, be sure to do that. It is a TEA requirement, so it's something that you have to complete to finish the program and to finish this course. So if it's not submitted by the end of this course, you will receive an incomplete. So be sure that that gets done. It should be an easy 100 for you. We've got one more yet to complete this semester in a couple of weeks. So be sure to get that in, and I'll let you know if there's any problems or if it's not submitted. So this week for week 10, we're going to be reading chapter 7, and chapter 7 moves into the social and emotional parts of development. Chapter 6 that we covered the last couple of weeks talked about cognitive development. So be sure that you read chapter 7 in your book. There's a lot of examples and practice items that you can go over. There's actually 3 different lectures for you to listen to on personality and also learning about the different social and moral types of development. These are the notes that go along with that. And then Caitlin has recorded for you information on psychosocial development theory, so be sure to watch her short video. You'll be responsible for that content as well, since we're not going to be meeting in class to have a type of presentation. And then I want you to read this on personality development. It is a supplemental reading. And because the activity this week is going to be on your personality test. So you need to be sure to read this, and you need to be sure that you watch the lecture videos or you won't know how to answer the responses properly. So be sure to take the time to do that. And then the activity this week is really pretty easy. It takes some time to complete. But you're going to be working through this Keirsey temperament sorter, which is a shortened version of the Myers-Briggs personality test. So some of you may already know that information, but you do need to take this test. This is the answer sheet, so you don't need to print this if you don't want to, but you are going to need to turn in the answer sheet. You can turn it in as a Word document. You can take a picture of it, but you'll complete the answer sheet based on your answers to these questions, and then just follow the directions at the bottom of the sheet that tell you how to add up the different answers and get your personality type. So once you've completed that, you'll turn in the answer sheet so that I know that you've done it. And then in addition to that, you're going to be completing a paragraph that's 300 to 400 words. I want you to explain your personality type, how it describes you. Is it good, accurate? Also, what's positive, what's negative about your personality type and how you may interact or not interact well with others, and then how it may help you or hurt you as a teacher. So, not hurt you, of course, but how it may cause some challenges for you. So you will submit your answer sheet and your response actually to the Dropbox, not in class, because we're not meeting in class, but I have created a Dropbox for you where you will submit the answer sheet and then your 300 to 400 word response. So if you have any questions about how to complete the test or questions about the assignment this week, or anything else going on, just be sure that you post them in the class discussion board, which is located here. I think you already have had some people post there before. So post any questions there so that I can just answer them all at once. And I hope that you have a good week, and I look forward to learning about your personalities.